Okay, welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about the termination of a straight through wire and a crossover Ethernet wire, Ethernet cable rather. So first, I'm going to be talking about how to terminate the straight through Ethernet cable. So this is my Ethernet cable as you see. First, I'm going to start by removing the outer jacket, which I will be doing by putting my clipping tool. Then so this is how it's going to be looking like after removing the outer jacket. Then next, I will do the same to the other side as well, as you see. Then after, you straighten these wires, straighten them. After straightening them, you would like to go and cut out this white part. Okay. 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 So after cutting it out, we are going to make combinations in our wires. Yep. So now here we are going to start with the white, green. Let me see here. Here are the combinations of the wires we are having. First, we are going to start with the white, green. White, green first. So you have to make sure they are straight before making the combinations. So the white, green is the first, then followed by the green. Then from the green, you are going to the orange. Sorry, orange, white. So green, orange, sorry, white, green. Let me first straighten them. So as I was saying, it's the white, green first, followed by the green. Then you go on to the orange, then blue, blue, white, blue, white, followed by blue. Then you go on to our orange, brown, white, and then brown. Okay. So as I said, organize them in that order. Then you do the same to the other side as well. Suppose. Okay, so after making sure that they are in the combinations as I said, it is white, green. So white, green, then followed by green, then orange, white, blue, blue, then it is blue, white, orange, brown, white, then brown last. From the left to the right. So I get my RJ45 as you see, and then I'm going to insert it as you see. So, yeah. I have to make sure that they don't collide with each other. I have to follow the order you put them in. As you see now, I'm going to get my clipping tool and I crush them together.